Okay guys, take a look at this bread. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this vegetable bread. If you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share this recipe. So I started by adding 1 cup of oats in my blender. I went in with spinach. I added 2 raw eggs. I added dates for sugar. And then I went in with 4 tablespoons of oil, with that sunflower oil, 2 spoons of fat-free yogurt, and semi-skimmed milk. So I cover the blender and I blend it very smooth. This morning I was like, what am I going to have for breakfast? I just want to eat something healthy. And I said, okay, let me give this a try since I have spinach at home, if it's going to work. One thing with me is that I love to try new things, more especially when it gets to do with the kitchen. So as you can see, I transferred the mixture into my bowl. I went in with 1 cup of almond flour. I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. I've already made a video on how to make your own almond flour. If you haven't watched that video yet, just scroll down my page. You are going to see that video. So I mix it up nicely like this. Next, I am going to transfer it into my buttered pan. Guys, this bread, while I was making it, I was like, is this going to work? I don't want to waste my ingredients. At some point, I was like, who sent me this job while they do serve? But no problem, we move. So I transfer all the mixture into my buttered pan, and then I'm just going to tap the pan a little on the table. Then I'm going to go in with my mixed seed. So the seed here is totally optional. If you don't have seed, do not add seed, okay? You are good to go like this. But since I want to give it a little bit of design, I went in with mixed seed into it. Then next, I am going to place it in my baking tray, and then I will go in with water. If you want your cake or the bread you are baking to bake nicely, you want that bread to be soft, add water on the pan like this. This is what a lot of bakers will not tell you. The bread or the cake will come out nicely, guys. I baked this for about 20 minutes under 150 degrees. Guys, take a look at this. I was not expecting this recipe to come out this way. I thought I wasted my ingredients. It really came out nice. Like, I was so happy seeing this result. Just take a look at this bread. So now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does it look like something you would love to try as well at home? Let me know in the comment section. When I cut the bread, I was like, wow, this is beautiful. I love the color. The color for me, it really came out nice. And guess what? It tastes amazing. Perfect for breakfast. Guys, take a look at this bread. The color for me is so beautiful. I love the green color, and the bread is soft in my hands, and guess what? It tastes amazing. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please help me to share it. Bye.